Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name's Amanda and today we will be doing a Rumba practice routine for women. First, I will be showing you the steps with the counts, then we will be adding arms, and later we will try it with music. We will be filming this in two perspectives, from the front in mirror image and from the back. If it is easier for you to follow along from the front, stay on part 1. And if it is easier for you to follow along from the back, skip to part 2. You can send us a video of you dancing this practice routine for a chance to win a free pair of EF dance shoes. Find more information in the description below. So we will start with our feet together. Right foot is prepared to dance, and we're gonna go to a sliding door. We're gonna go right foot back, left foot forward, and press. From here, we're going to have our cucaracha to the side, left foot back. From here, we're going to step back with the right foot, side with the left foot, and forward into the diagonal with the right foot. We're gonna have half a turn and a pose. Half a turn, pose, left foot to the side. From here, we are going to put that left foot in front and we're going to sit. We're going to do a little wiggle and then transfer our weight to the left foot. And then again, the same thing with the right foot. We are going to put it in front and sit. We're going to do a little wiggle and transfer the weight forward. And from here, we're going to take a step forward with the left foot. Alrighty, let's do the same thing, but with counts. Feet together. We have and 2 and 3 and 4. Hold 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Hold 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay, now we are going into the second part. We just finished with our left foot in front. We are going to do a slow spiral turn. So we're gonna keep turning, turning, turning. And now, from here, we're gonna send that right foot to the side and we're going to do a cucaracha. We're gonna go side, point, together and switch. Side, point, together and switch. We're going to do a big lunge to the side with our right foot. Side. We're going to pull that foot in. We are going to do a spot turn in the diagonal. And then from here, we will have a side step and starting from the beginning. Now that same part with counts. We have 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, so now let's put part 1 and part 2 together with counts. And 4, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 1, and 2, 3, 4, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. All right, the first section. We will have our feet together and we will be doing a sliding door. We go right foot back, left foot forward, and press line, and cucaracha, left foot back. Now we are going to do back walk with the right foot, side with the left foot, and forward and diagonal with the right foot. We are going to do half of a turn, and we are going to do a pose with the left foot to the side. From here, we are going to bring the left foot in front and sit. We are going to do a little wiggle here, and then transfer the weight forward. Now right foot going forward and sit. Again, little wiggle and step forward, and one more step forward with the left foot. Now with counts. We have 2 and 3 and 4. Hold 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Alrighty, now the second part. We just finished here on our left foot. We are going to do a slow spiral turn. Slow spiral turn. And from here, we are going to send our right foot to the side, and we are going to do a cucaracha. Cucaracha to the right, and bring my feet together and switch. And now I'm going to do cucaracha to the left, and feet together and switch. From here, I'm going to do a big side lunge with my right foot and side. I'm going to pull my left foot in. From here, I have a spot turn, which is going to go into the diagonal with my left foot, spot turn, and then I will have a side step with my left foot. Now that part with the counts. We have 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 1. Okay, now we will put part 1 and part 2 together with counts. And 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 1. Alrighty guys, we are now going to put some arms onto our routine. We will start with our feet together and arms down. From here, when we take our step back, our right arm is going to shoot up and left hand is going to be on the hip. We're going to bring that right arm around the head, and then it's going to open to the side, left arm in, right arm to the side. And now we're going to go into our cucaracha. We're going to do left arm opens to the side, right arm opens to the side. From here, we're going to take that step back and left arm is going to open to the side. We have another step back. Again, right arm opens to the side, stepping to the side, left arm opens to the side. And now we are going to step forward in that diagonal and close our arms. We're going to do half of a turn and we're going to make a pose. We're going to take those two arms and we're going to shoot them up. So we're going to go shoot. And from here, we're going to take our two arms and we're going to hook them around our head all the way down. We're going to sit and those hands are going to go on our hips. We're going to do our little wiggle and step. Our next sit and wiggle, we are going to take our arms and we're going to put them by our eyes. And then we're going to open the arms as we wiggle and then take a step. From here, we're going to have a slow spiral turn. We are going to keep our arms closed as we turn. So we're going to close them and turn. From here, we have a cucaracha. I want from here to do one arm at a time, going up and around the head and together. And now left arm through the side, around the head and together. And now I have a big lunge to the side. So I'm going to take that right arm and I'm going to bring it through the side and up. And as the foot comes in, the arm is going to go around the head. From here, during the spot turn, we're going to open up the left arm to the side. Then we're going to open up the right arm to the side. And then we're going to open up again the left arm to the side. Alrighty guys, let's do those arms with the steps, with the counts. We have 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Hold 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. 1. We will now do the same thing, just a little bit quicker. 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Hold 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. It is now time to do it with music. We will start off with slow tempo and then we will do normal tempo. Alrighty guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.